diced peaches. We only need a 1/4 cup. Adding some heavy cream to just kind of finish it up so it gets to a 1/2 cup. Pour this on the bottom of your baking dish. Adding cinnamon rolls. I'm going to take those peaches, and that's going to go all the way on top. 2 more, but these I've already drained. Once everything is arranged on there, putting in a bowl. And this is Cinnamon Toast Crunch cookie mix. Add these pecan chips. I love these chips because they're like tiny. A stick of butter. Take 2 forks and start making a streusel. Just dump this all on top. And then pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Go ahead and take the icing that came with your cinnamon rolls and just drizzle this on top. Put in. Look. Look, 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 look. Oh my goodness. Taste test. So, so good. Make this. You'll love it. I promise.